one coming next week, Tiger Cat, I think.
Auger or shovel auger?
Yeah, a shovel auger.
Oh, you test one of them out too, huh?
Yes, sir.
Be back in a minute.
Okay.
We finally got a beautiful sunny day and we're hauling Brandon and his 220 Komatsu Stroker today. If you enjoy hauling videos, check out the link up above, and I'll also put links in the description down below. Does Brandon have any issues today? Stick around and find out. Also, we get to see exactly what a stroker does when we get to the new job.